Good day, animal aficionados and newbie nature nerds alike. Buckle up, because we're about to embark on a wild journey to discover some of the most unfamiliar, vulnerable creatures our big blue planet hosts. Get ready for a global tour from the ocean's depths to the highest treetops, uncovering the weird and wonderful creatures that reside there. Vaquita. Let's kick off with the adorable vaquita, a shy little dolphin that calls the Gulf of California home. Like a precious and rare diamond, there are fewer than 10 of these little beauties left. What's in a name, you ask? Vaquita is Spanish for little cow. But don't let that moo steak fool you. This little cow is a full-fledged member of the sea-dwelling cetacean clan. Hainan gibbon. Next up, the Hainan gibbon, swinging and singing in China's tropical rainforests. What's special about them? Well, they are officially the rarest primates on Earth, with a heart-stopping population of less than 30. They're so endangered, they're practically mythical. Xenos petrel, soaring up into the sky. Meet Xenos petrel, the elusive bird from Madeira, named after the bear-loving conservationist Paul Alexander Zeno. These feathered creatures could easily make a top-tier ghost due to their elusive nature. Sadly, their population is down to the low hundreds, mainly due to habitat destruction and introduced predators. Plowshare tortoise. Slowly but surely, we crawl over to Madagascar to meet the golden-domed plowshare tortoise. Gold rush, anyone? Unfortunately, this shiny shell has led them to be over-poached and over-trafficked. With around 400 left, they're totally in trouble. Amsterdam albatross. Heading south, really far south, we glide to the Indian Ocean to find the majestic Amsterdam albatross. These guys love their social distancing, nesting on an isolated island that has less real estate than a Monopoly board. With less than 100 in existence, they're a real needle in a haystack. Angel shark. Diving into the depths, we meet the angel shark, a flat and fascinating fellow who prefers life on the ocean floor. With a face only a mother could love, they are critically endangered due to overfishing and habitat disturbance. If the shark community was a high school, the angel shark would definitely win, most likely to be mistaken for a rug. Sumatran rhinoceros. Returning to land, meet the Sumatran rhinoceros, one of the most endangered mammals in the world. They're known for being the smallest rhino species and having a hairy coat that gives them a somewhat adorably disheveled look. It's like a garden gnome went punk and grew a horn. Cuban greater funnel-eared bat. Flying over to the Caribbean, we discover the Cuban greater funnel-eared bat. Residing in a single cave in Cuba, there are fewer than 750 of these echolocating maestros left. Talk about putting all your bats in one belfry. Hirola, also known as the four-eyed antelope. How's that for a party trick? The Hirola is found along the border of Kenya and Somalia. They've earned their nickname from their pre-orbital glands that look like an extra pair of eyes. With fewer than 500 of these spectacle-wearing antelope left, we are dangerously close to losing another pair of eyes on the planet. Kakapo. Last but no less important, we travel to the land of Kiwis and Hobbits, New Zealand. Here lives the kakapo, a rotund, flightless nocturnal parrot who appears to be confused about its identity. With less than 200 of these charmingly strange birds left, they've surely become the poster child for endangered oddballs. That's a wrap on our list of endangered animals you may not have heard of. While it's a rollicking ride learning about these unique creatures, remember, they need our help. Conservation isn't just for the polar bears and the pandas. It's for the angel sharks, the kakapos, and yes, even the little sea cows. So let's strive to leave a better world for the animals, and while we're at it, the future animal lovers. Because after all, we share this planet, and variety, as they say, is the spice of life. Please subscribe to Wild Biosphere to get notified whenever we upload awesome videos like this.